So I will keep this really short, much shorter than the other presentation that we had today. Okay. And there was much rejoice.
You've come to journey's end.
This thing, our 10th anniversary, is the thing I'm really most proud of all the things that we've done up until now, because meeting so much people from all over Europe, and we're all sharing the same passion. This is really great.
Why do you what are these tears upon your face? Soon you will see all of your fears will pass away, safe in my arms. You're only sleeping. What can you see?
There was no meeting since then without any member of the Indian Tolkien Society in Austria, and with 3 meetings. So it's really a great enrichment. These guys are here, and yeah, they're good guys.
No, Lashko.
Thank you very, very much. Just a few words from me. When I went first to Hobbiton, and thanks very much to the Società Tolkieniana. You know, you and me, that's just great. When I went to Hobbiton first, and I met the Tolkien Society in Italy, they were just absolutely amazing, great. It was wonderful to be invited. But you know, with the language barrier, and I don't really speak that much Italian, I met the Slovenian guys, and they speak like English and German.
Better.
So we understood each other. And ever since then, it's been a blast. And I thank you very much for being here. And thanks for the presents. keep on, and keep up the good work. It's amazing. Thank you very much.
My English is a little bit poor, but my secret is that Slovenia is better. Hvala lepa.
White girls call across the sea. The ships have come to carry you home. To